Welcome to AWISCO Trade Show 2024, another amazing year. So we've been doing this show for over 25 years. Over the last years, it's just grown to this monstrosity that we have today. Over 50 vendors. We'll get about 800 to 1,000 people run through in one day. We really cover the construction market in the Metro New York area. So our customers are doing the bridges, they're fixing the roads, they're doing the tunnels, they're building the high rises.
There's no event in the New York tri-state area that brings 800 plus people in one place at one time.
AWISCO is one of our biggest and most important distributors partners. Here we can just meet the end user and explain what we have, how they work, and how we can offer them more solutions.
So we come back to support our distributor friends here at AWISCO and to support the local welding and fabrication shops.
So it's really important that we get out there showcasing our brand and connecting and having those kind of impactful moments with our potential buyers.
You got to pick it up, you got to feel it, you got to see how heavy it is, how durable it's going to be, because the guys out in the field are going to be really rough with this stuff. So it's got to be robust.
So we've invited the trade schools in this area to our show so that when they get into the workforce, they can go to their employers and say, hey, you know what? I saw something in the AWISCO Trade Show that I really think will make our lives easier. Nothing better than teaching the next generation.
Part of today's class, I brought out all these students here. As you can see, there's about maybe 15 of them. So they can actually see the different contractors and vendors that they have. A lot of their contractors are using a lot of these companies, and now they actually get hands-on, see the pros and cons to each one, where you can't do over not physically being present.
Client for life. You get them while they're in school and they like the product, they're on the hook forever.
This show is one of the best shows in the U.S., in my opinion, and will continue to come.
The rubber meets the road right here is kind of what it is.
This is my second year coming. We came in 2022, and it was great turnout. They invited us again, and we're out here, and they invite us next year, we'll be here too.
There's nothing like being in person, shaking hands, showing off the latest products.
This is just a true selling show. Every single product that's out here is for sale in our showroom. Try it and then buy it.